The idea of a DJI mirrorless camera has ignited significant curiosity in both photography and filmmaking circles, and the excitement is only growing. Known primarily for drones, gimbals, and action cameras, DJI has quietly built a comprehensive ecosystem for creators that spans stabilized cameras, professional audio systems, and aerial cinematography. This ecosystem supports nearly every aspect of modern content creation, and a mirrorless camera seems like a natural next step. Combining DJI's mastery of stabilization, software intelligence, and video technologies with Hasselblad's renowned color science could deliver a compact, hybrid imaging tool that appeals to both photographers and filmmakers. Interest in a DJI mirrorless camera surged earlier this year following a curious incident with DJI support. A customer inquiry about a mirrorless model received an enigmatic reply: "Our mysterious new product is coming soon." The response was quickly deleted, but in the digital age, such disappearances often generate far more attention than formal announcements. Forums, social media threads, and creator communities exploded with speculation. Every minor clue was dissected, from firmware hints to ecosystem expansions, fueling discussion about the potential capabilities of a DJI mirrorless camera. Even without official confirmation, it has become one of the most anticipated potential products in the imaging world. One dominant theory is that DJI may develop a full-frame mirrorless camera, leveraging its stabilization technology alongside Hasselblad's color science. If true, such a camera could capture striking stills and cinematic video in one compact body, without the need for external gimbals or rigs. For creators, this would mean smooth handheld footage, high-quality color reproduction, and extended dynamic range in a single system. The implications are significant. One hybrid device could replace multiple cameras, simplify workflows, and provide unparalleled creative flexibility for travel vloggers, documentary filmmakers, and content creators who need professional-grade results on the go. Other speculation suggests that DJI could pursue even more unconventional designs. Some leaks hint at a hybrid mirrorless camera with integrated 360-degree capabilities. Considering DJI's experience with immersive drone and action camera imaging, a 360-capable mirrorless device is not entirely implausible. A camera like this could allow creators to switch seamlessly between traditional compositions and immersive footage, opening new avenues for storytelling. While highly speculative, the concept illustrates DJI's potential to rethink the very definition of a mirrorless camera and to innovate beyond conventional boundaries. Despite the ongoing speculation, DJI has remained tight-lipped. There is no official announcement, product page, or promotional teaser beyond the cryptic support response. However, this silence has only amplified the conversation, as enthusiasts, professionals, and analysts scrutinize every minor clue. Firmware updates, patents, and incremental changes to the DJI ecosystem are all being interpreted as potential signs of mirrorless camera development. Every discovery sparks renewed debate about the features, sensor technology, and creative possibilities a DJI mirrorless camera might deliver. Some rumors even suggest possible collaborations with other tech companies to integrate advanced sensor technology or computational photography features. If true, such partnerships could accelerate DJI's entry into mirrorless imaging, resulting in a hybrid system that blends AI-assisted autofocus, high-end video performance, and Hasselblad-level color science. The result could be a camera that appeals to both professionals and enthusiasts, offering sophisticated tools in a compact, versatile package. The reaction from the creator community has been a mix of excitement and skepticism. Many are thrilled at the idea of a camera that rivals Sony, Canon, and Nikon in image quality, while adding DJI's unique stabilization and intelligent software features. Others question whether DJI can compete in a market dominated by decades of lens engineering, sensor development, and optical expertise. While DJI has a proven history of disrupting industries, redefining drones, gimbals, and portable cameras, the leap to a standalone mirrorless system represents uncharted territory. Yet, the buzz reflects a strong anticipation of innovation and curiosity about the possibilities. If the rumors prove accurate, a DJI mirrorless camera could integrate features rarely seen together in one device. A full-frame sensor with built-in stabilization, AI-assisted autofocus, 8K video capabilities, and deep integration with DJI's ecosystem could make it one of the most versatile cameras for hybrid creators. For solo filmmakers, travel vloggers, and content creators, such a tool would reduce the need for multiple cameras and external rigs. Built-in stabilization and Hasselblad color science could ensure professional results straight out of the camera, minimizing post-production work while maintaining creative flexibility. Looking at DJI's track record provides context for what's plausible. Their drones, gimbals, and action cameras already employ advanced AI tracking, sophisticated sensor processing, and highly effective stabilization. Applying these technologies to a mirrorless camera could result in a hybrid device capable of excelling in both photography and filmmaking. Coupled with Hasselblad's color science expertise, the camera could produce images with high dynamic range, accurate tones, and cinematic quality, giving it a unique position in a market otherwise dominated by traditional mirrorless systems. Timing is another aspect fueling speculation. DJI has remained silent beyond vague hints and deleted posts, leaving enthusiasts and industry insiders to piece together potential timelines. Some speculate that an announcement could happen by the end of the year, while others watch for firmware updates or leaked patents that could provide additional clues. The anticipation has created one of the most active discussions in the camera industry in recent years, highlighting the intense interest in what could be DJI's most ambitious imaging product yet. It's important to note, however, that all of this remains speculation. DJI has not confirmed the existence of a mirrorless camera, and rumors naturally evolve over time. Yet, given DJI's technical expertise, established ecosystem, and history of innovation, the idea of a DJI mirrorless camera feels plausible. Creators are imagining a device that combines full-frame imaging, stabilization, AI-driven autofocus, and hybrid video functionality into a single camera, offering the potential to simplify workflows, increase portability, and enhance creative possibilities. If DJI successfully delivers a mirrorless camera, it could reshape the market. Sony, Canon, and Nikon have long been the dominant players in mirrorless imaging, but DJI's entry could challenge traditional assumptions about portability, hybrid functionality, and stabilization. A camera combining Hasselblad color science with DJI's technological innovations could provide both professional-grade stills and cinematic video in one compact system. The concept of a unified, all-in-one device could alter how creators approach gear, planning, and production workflows. The potential versatility of a DJI mirrorless camera is arguably its most exciting feature. Advanced stabilization, AI-assisted autofocus, and integrated color science could allow creators to shoot cinematic footage handheld without additional gimbals or rigs. Whether for vlogging, travel filmmaking, or documentary work, such a camera could provide professional quality results with minimal setup. The combination of portability, performance, and creative freedom makes this rumored device particularly compelling. Beyond technical specifications, a DJI mirrorless camera could also redefine how creators interact with an integrated ecosystem. DJI has already demonstrated how drones, gimbals, and editing software can work seamlessly together. Introducing a mirrorless system could allow creators to manage everything from capture to post-production within a single, cohesive platform. This type of integration would be especially valuable for professionals, offering efficiency, portability, and consistency that traditional multi-camera workflows struggle to achieve. Until DJI officially confirms a mirrorless camera, speculation will continue to dominate discussions. However, the buzz alone demonstrates the industry's hunger for innovation and fresh ideas in imaging. If DJI delivers on this concept, it could be one of the most transformative mirrorless cameras in years, reshaping expectations for compact, versatile, and hybrid professional imaging systems. The anticipation surrounding a DJI mirrorless camera shows that even in a mature market, innovation can capture the imagination of creators worldwide.